man.
Yes. What do I do?
Eldest man.
What do I do?
Okay. I want you to pour libation
Okay.
as we speak.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay.
Stand right here.
Stand right where you are.
Okay.
All our ancestors of antiquity who developed great knowledge and gave civilization to the world. Repeat after me. Your will to be lives in me.
Your will to be lives in me.
To all our ancestors who were fortunate to be buried
To all our ancestors who were fortunate to be buried
on the soil of Akibulan,
on the soil of Akibulan,
Africa, our motherland.
Africa, our motherland.
Together, your will to be lives in me. Ashe.
Ashe.
Your will to be
Your will to be
lives in me.
lives in me.
To all our ancestors who were lost and killed during the voyage of the Middle Passage, together, your will to be
Your will to be
lives in me.
lives in me.
Ashe.
Ashe.
To all our ancestors who suffered the cruelty of a horrible institution of slavery, racism, segregation, and oppression in North America, South America, the Caribbean islands, the Middle East, and throughout the world, your will to be
Your will to be
lives in me.
lives in me.
Ashe.
Ashe.
We say thank you, great ancestors, for the
We say
sacred
thank you,
gift
great
of your blood, sweat, and tears, who fought for freedom, justice, and equality. Your will to be
Your will to be
lives in me.
lives in me.
Ashe.
Ashe.
Together, to our ancestors in your honor,
To our ancestors in your honor,
I promise,
I promise,
as an ascendant
as an ascendant
and benefactor of your life,
and benefactor of your life,
to uphold truth without fear,
to uphold truth without fear,
and to never forget you
and to never forget you
and your sacrifices,
and your sacrifices,
as I teach myself and our children
as I teach myself and our children
to honor and respect.
to honor and respect you.
Ashe.
Ashe.
To our ancestors in your honor,
To our ancestors in your honor,
I promise to assume the responsibility
I promise to assume the responsibility
in continuing on the path of progress
in continuing on the path of progress
and build upon the foundation you have laid before us.
and build upon the foundation you have laid before us.
Ashe.
Ashe.
To our ancestors in your honor,
To our ancestors in your honor,
I promise to remove the fear,
I promise to remove the fear,
the ignorance,
the ignorance,
the
the shame,
and self-hatred
and self-hatred
of my African history,
of my African history,
and reclaim the cultural heritage
and reclaim the cultural
and
heritage
consciousness
and consciousness
of spiritual oneness.
of spiritual oneness.
Ashe.
Ashe.
To our ancestors,
To our ancestors,
I make this pledge
I make this pledge
in your honor
in your honor
today.
today.